Configuring AWS Amplify user pools is a crucial step in building scalable and secure applications. To get started, navigate to the AWS Amplify console and click on the Authentication tab. From there, select User Pools and then click on Create a User Pool. First, you need to define the user pool settings, including the pool name, password policy, and account recovery options. Choose a strong password policy that meets your application's security requirements. You can also specify the account recovery options, such as email or phone number verification. Next, configure the user attributes, including the username, email, and phone number. You can also add custom attributes as needed. Make sure to specify the required attributes for your application. Now, set up the password policy, including the minimum length, character requirements, and expiration period. You can also enable multi-factor authentication for added security. After configuring the user pool settings, create an app client to interact with the user pool. Specify the app client name, and select the authentication flows you want to enable, such as username and password or social media authentication. To integrate the user pool with your application, use the AWS Amplify SDK. Install the SDK in your project and import the necessary modules. Then, use the Amplify Auth class to authenticate users and manage user sessions. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify user pools include using a strong password policy, enabling multi-factor authentication, and regularly reviewing and updating your user pool settings. Additionally, make sure to test your user pool configuration thoroughly to ensure it meets your application's security and functionality requirements. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure a secure and scalable user pool using AWS Amplify and provide a seamless authentication experience for your users.